Welcome to Antioch's Quarters Inn and Suites. Our comfortable beds, inviting decor, and friendly amenities will make your stay enjoyable. Stay for expected amenities like in-room microwaves and refrigerators and free Wi-Fi. Dining, shopping, and entertainment choices are in no short supply. Our highly proficient staff is trained to provide exemplary service. We're also near Nashville Airport Hotel. Enjoy complimentary long-term parking, complimentary deluxe continental breakfast, plus kids stay free. Our hotel offers easy access to all the inviting tourist attractions of this thriving metropolis. And we're right off the highway, shopping and food in walking distance. Make a reservation today and save. www.thequartersinn.com